Well, hello, welcome back. So this is going to be the last leg of our pump skid design process. So as you can see, Lab 6 is going to be basically just making the final changes. And then next week we'll jump into the final, which will be a parametrically designed assembly. It has its own nuances, but we'll jump into that later. So for now, do your lecture, discussion board, and then you'll be greeted with this guy. So this one's not too bad, hopefully you agree. You're going to basically add in another component, and a little bit of changing here and there will be needed to accommodate for it. And then after that's done, you're going to just make a brief animation, basically of everything being assembled. And hopefully it looks pretty cool when you're done. Then pack and go all that and send it to me. So let me see if I can try to open these PDFs. I hate having to open all the CAD drawings. They just look half decent. I'm good with it. So basically what you're going to do is put in this guy. So what this is, a slipstream filter, is, well, that's what it is. But what it does is it basically takes some of this fluid that's passing through and it sends it back through and lets it, basically go along this path. The reasoning for it is it changes the efficiency of the fluid, process. It's some engineering mumbo jumbo basically, but it's a necessary part of the process. So in this case, what you're going to be doing is adding this component in, which I have graciously given you a step for, and I have, as I've mentioned before, the DWFs ready to go for viewing the overall setup. But basically you're going to add in the piping, connecting it, and you should be able to see that on your new PID and PID-BOM. Same concept, but basically you've got this little loop added in. And I've added in a few little other changes like this guy as well. And you got your accompanying BOM. Lord, so many tabs. Okay, so yeah, you're going to be adding in this part here. So you have to have some structural changes to support it. Everything's got to have a support. And you're going to support this where it's set. You're going to have to obviously edit this piping here to add that. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's not like a drastic change, but I mean, it will take a little time trying to lay out everything. And if you notice, like, instead of this piping coming straight out at the middle, now you've got it coming straight from here. So you're going to have to rethink a lot of things probably, and change the layouts. But it should be pretty straightforward, hopefully. And then the animation part, I think you guys have already covered in a later previous class. So if you haven't and you don't know how to do that, just let me know and we can play with it together. But basically that's going to be it. You've got your details edited again if you open the AutoCAD one anyways. Obviously you can't see everything in these PDFs. I'm just going to remove them, I think. But they should be good enough references. And yeah, once you're done, update everything, pack and go, send it to me, and we can wrap this one up. Hopefully, it shouldn't take you too long. But if you have any questions, just let me know.